Hello everyone, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to cut and sew a requested off shoulder breast tube. I've been receiving this request for a very long time to cut and sew this off shoulder breast tube. I'm going to leave this sleeveless blouse and the wrapper in the description box, and if you are new here, please do me a favor by subscribing, and there's a bell beside. When you click on that bell, you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. If you are interested in knowing how I cut and sew this off shoulder breast tube, please keep watching. Like I said, I'm going to use just the material and the lining. If you like, you can iron strong gum stay on the lining. We'll start with the lining so you can see the measurement clearly. I'm going to first cut the back. I fold this material into two, and I'm going to mark for zip. I measure 2 inches. I remove 5.5 inches from the tape before I start my measurement. 5.5 inches is here. Then I will measure half length, 17.5 inches, plus 1 inch to sew. I will measure 18.5 inches. This upper bust and this the bottom. Still placing my tape here, 5.5 inches. I will measure for armhole. I will measure 9.5 inches. From here to here is 9.5 inches. So that means from here to here is 4 inches. From here is 4 inches. But from here to this place is 9.5 inches. This place I measure is bust. Bust is 42 inches. Divided by 4 is 10.5 inches. This is 10.5 inches. Then I will add 1 inch to sew. Under bust is 38 inches. Divided by 4 is 9.5 inches. This is 9.5 inches. Then I will add some allowance to sew that. I will add that on the back into sew side. I measure 11 inches. I will measure down here where I will sew that on. I measure 4.5 inches. This is where I will sew that on. Like this. I will take half inch from here. I will take half inch from here. Like this. This is the back. I'm going to cut the front. After folding into two, this 5.5 inches from up to here, 5.5 inches. From here down here, 9.5 inches. That means from here is 4 inches. From here, 4 inches. Bust is 42 inches. Divided by 4 is 10.5 inches, which is here. Then I will add allowance to sew. Waist is 38 inches. Divided by 4 is 9.5 inches. This is the upper part, and this is the bottom. I will measure 4.5 inches on the upper part and 4.5 inches on the bottom, like that. I will notch. I will measure 2.5 inches from this where I mark and 2.5 inches where I mark, and bottom I will measure 2 inches. 2 inches. Then to come like this. This is the bust. To come this way. So in this case, you can cut if you want. You can cut if you want. I will bring this way. I will sew this way. You can see the way it is. And sew like this. Also with this side. After folding the main material into 2, I will place this on top and cut exactly the way I cut the lining. I'll cut the back just like the way the lining is. So I made the main material just like the way I explained on the lining. I will sew this way, and I will do the same on this side. Hold this way and sew. Let me sew this one and show you how it looks like. And I will sew the back. I will hold like this and sew back up to here. The measurement I have here is 7 inches. I'm done sewing. You can see the way it is. I will sew the top exactly the way I sewed this one. Like I said earlier, you can iron strong gum stay on it before you sew. This is the back. I'm done sewing, and I bring the right side out. Also on top here and sew the 2 sides and bring the right side out from the damp parts. Yeah, so I'm done sewing. This is how it looks like. This lace I will sew on top 7 inches back, and I'll cut here. I'll place on top like this and sew this way. Seven inches. I fold into 2. Shoulder is 17 inches, divided by 2 is 8.5 inches, plus ½ inch to sew. armhole 9.5 inches. I'll cut here. Neckline is 3 inches. And I measure down 3.5 inches. I'll cut here, and I'll cut 1/2 inch from the shoulder here. This is the back I place together. Then this is where I will sew zip on. This is where I notch the down parts. I will measure 3 inches on the back neckline, 3 inches, and I will cut with 1/2 inch. Shoulder is 17 inches, divided by 2 is 8.5 inches, plus 1/2 inch to sew. Then 9.5 inches on the armhole. I will cut here with 1/2 inch, the shoulder with 1/2 inch, and I'll cut back neck with 1/2 inch. I will sew the shoulder before I turn the neck. After sewing the shoulder, I will sew the 2 sides. So I'm done joining the shoulder. This is how it looks like. Back, I'll sew zip later when I'm done sewing the down. It's going to be a dress, and I'm going to cut that in another video. This is it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. As always, please share this video to everyone. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my very next video.